Hey guys, this is Mike from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here, and today is the unboxing and quick overview of the AOMAIS IPX7 Waterproof Go speaker.
Damn.
Alright guys, another unboxing video of a pretty cool item, and if you guys watched my live stream the other night, then you might have seen something similar to this. This is the AOMAIS GO outdoor speaker basically, and it's a Bluetooth speaker that can be purchased off Amazon.com, and I'm actually going to post the link down below. It comes in different colors. I have the red one here, and this is going to be the unboxing, guys. So I already kind of basically messed with the tape here just so you guys can get it going here, but this is a speaker that was sent to me by an Amazon seller, and I want to give him a big shout out just because this is a big item and it's not a small speaker. And here we go, you can see here, there it is right here. I'm gonna take this whole thing out. Oh my goodness, this thing is a brick, by the way. Okay, so just so you guys know, inside the box just comes with charging cable, comes with audio jack, comes with bag, and some the instructions. Okay, so other than that, nothing too fancy there. It's pretty set up to be used outside of once you open it from the box. So here's the speaker, guys, itself. You can see how big the speaker is. It's bigger than my head. Let me get the let me get it out of the plastic really quick, guys. And the cool thing about this speaker, guys, is you can actually link it up to another speaker that's exactly the same. So here you can actually see that, how do you say it, it tells you what everything is for. So it has four main buttons here. On the side here you have audio jacks. From what I'm seeing, it has so it looks like a little volume button here on the side, and then right there looks like either an earphone jack or an auxiliary port. Okay, so that's one side. Okay, let's go to the other side really quick. There's another side as well. So on the other side, if I can pull this out, you have a USB port, another headphone jack, and you have a micro USB charging port so that you can actually charge it. And again, guys, this is waterproof, so you can use a speaker like this outside. If you own a pool or something like that, you can actually technically take it outside, splash water on it, and not worry about this getting damaged. And it reminds me kind of an old school boombox, just because you can actually carry it kind of like a briefcase or a lunchbox. And I think it's just interesting, and it's an interesting item to have, guys. I don't know what else to say here, but as you can see here, all the way around, it's built. This one's the red variant, obviously. It has more of a matte color to it, and it's very soft on the outside. It's heavy. I mean, it's not a light speaker, so I can tell you that much right now, that this thing is somewhat of a light, or not light, durable speaker. So it's meant to be used outside. You can take it to the beach, you can take it to the park, if you have kids, etc. It's not one of those speakers that you should worry about getting damaged, because I can probably drop this a million times and it probably still work, guys. So again, this is just a quick unboxing of this speaker. I'm actually going to post the description and the link down below so you guys can check that out. And if you guys are waiting for the review, I already unboxed a blue one. Okay, so let me get that really quick. So here's the blue variant that I have here, and the cool part about it is, if you guys like loud music and you like being outside, etc. like that, you can actually pair both of these up together. So I think that's interesting. Can't wait to get that going in the review, guys. So again, this is Mike from Budget Tech Reviews. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up, and as always, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time.